Art friends, welcome back. This is Emma, and today I'll show you step by step how to draw a cute Christmas tree. Let's get started. So let's draw the star first. So I'm going to draw short angle lines with 5 tips. There, so that is our star, and I'm going to draw 2 cute eyes. Just leave a very small circle for the highlight and shade in the rest of the eye, and a cute little smile there. And now from here on, let's draw the tree. So I'm going to start by drawing a short angled line for the top layer of the Christmas tree. And I'm going to connect these 2 short lines with some wavy lines. So that is the first layer, and then from there, let's move in a little bit. Okay, so from the edge, move in a little bit and draw another angled line. And we're going to repeat the same process by connecting the bottom with wavy lines. And let's do another layer. So every new layer that we draw will be wider than the previous layer. And finally, let's draw the bottom layer. Now let's draw the tree trunk. So in the center, let's draw 2 straight lines and connect at the bottom. Now let's draw some ornaments. So I'm gonna draw a candy cane right there. And I'm just gonna draw some circles for some ornament balls. And here, let me save this space for drawing the cute eyes for the tree. So I'm going to draw 2 large circles. And here, let me draw a curved line there. And a small circle for the highlight. And now let's shade in between this curved line and the small circle. There. So those are the tree's cute eyes. And I'm going to draw a happy smile. And from here, let's draw a short curve from here to there and shade in the top part. Okay, so now let's add some more ornaments. What would you like on your Christmas tree? Feel free to add whatever ornament you want on your Christmas tree to make it your very own Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna add a few candy canes, and I'm going to add a bow on this one. I'm going to add a little star here. I love decorating my Christmas tree. how about we put a gingerbread man? So let's do this. That's our gingerbread man. Maybe we'll add something here as well. And I'm going to draw some presents at the bottom of the tree, so we can draw a square. And we are going to draw a few lines to show the ribbons that are on the wrapping, and a bow at the top. The smaller one goes behind the big one. There. Now let's color it in. I'm going to fast forward this part, but feel free to pause if you need more time. And that is how to draw a cute Christmas tree. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.